Today we will listen to a short English composition called
At the Party. A party is a joyful event where friends and family come together to celebrate. Many children enjoy parties because they can have fun, play games, and spend time with their friends. At a party, the room is often decorated with balloons, colourful lights, and banners. Music plays in the background, and the atmosphere feels lively and exciting. Children usually play games, dance, and talk with their friends. Sometimes there are competitions or fun activities where everyone can participate. There is often a table with snacks, cakes, and drinks. The birthday cake is usually the most important part of the celebration. Everyone sings and celebrates together. Parties are also a good moment for giving gifts and sharing happy moments. Children laugh, take photos, and enjoy the celebration. In my opinion, parties are wonderful events because they bring people together and create happy memories.